Hello guys. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 impact wrenches. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Hammerhead HDIW0 Powerful 7.5 amp motor delivers 2200 RPM and 2700 BPM. 240 feet lbs of torque for heavy-duty applications. 1/2 inch square drive with friction ring for secure socket retention. Metal gearbox for added durability. Forward/reverse rocker switch for quick and easy 2-finger operation. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. PorterCable PCE211. 7.5 amp motor for heavy-duty applications. 450 feet lbs of torque. 2200 RPM and 2700 BPM for speed. 2x1 inch hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. Forward/reverse rocker switch. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. DOALL DC820B. Frameless motor for extended tool durability and life. Compact size and weight allow access into tighter areas. 1740 lbs of torque to perform a wide range. 0 to 2400 RPM/0-2,700 IPM for faster application speed. Replaceable brushes for increased serviceability. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand W7150K1. 780 ft-lbs of maximum reverse torque and 1100 ft-lb of nut-busting torque. Steel-lined aluminum hammer case designed to be strong and lightweight. Patent-pending soft touch over molded grip minimizes vibration. Includes W7150 impact tool, IQV20 charger, 20-volt Li-ion 3.0 Ah batteries. Durable construction with impact-resistant housing. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Ingersoll Rand 231C. Classic, reliable design offers proven power, performance, and durability. Twin hammer mechanism delivers a maximum torque of 600 foot-pounds. Adjustable power regulator provides easy control of torque output. Ergonomic 2-piece design is easy to operate and maintain. Arrives fully lubricated and ready for use out of the box. Please check the description for details and best price.